Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I am sitting in a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses and relay to check in case your front or rear wipers are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Wiper blades, fuses and relay will be located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to open it up, you'll have two black clips, one on the right side and one up here on the left side. So what you want to do, you want to press onto this clip and lift it straight up to unlock it, and you will do the same thing on the other side. So press together and lift up. Now once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here at the bottom right corner you will have a small fuse puller which you can use to remove any of the fuses. Fuse number 29, it's a 25 amp fuse located up here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the front wipers, so for the front wiper blades. Second fuse to check is fuse number 30, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse responsible for power to the rear wipers. And the last thing to check is wiper speed relay, which is located here. Now the best way to test it is just to swap it with this one of the same kind and see if it makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, it's a couple of dollars, and replace it. So to summarize, you want to check this fuse right here for front wipers, this fuse for rear wipers, and test this relay for wiper speed. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.